Welcome to this introductory course on Git and GitHub. Git and GitHub are widely used in the industry for version control and collaborative software development. Version control and collaboration software are crucial for completing software development projects effectively. Employers expect skills in Git and GitHub for software development careers. This course suits anyone who wants to learn version control and collaboration with Git and GitHub. No prior background knowledge is required, just basic computer and IT literacy. This course is particularly suitable for those interested in roles such as software engineers, application developers, data scientists, and data engineers. We're excited that you're here. Your instructors for this course are Ravahuja and Upkar Leader. Ravahuja is a global program director at IBM and leads growth strategy, curriculum creation, and partner programs for the IBM Skills Network. Upkar Leader is a senior product manager with 15+ years of experience in IT development, including team management and functional and technical leadership roles. When you complete this course, you will understand basic Git and GitHub concepts in the context of distributed version control. You will be able to create repositories, collaborate on team projects by sharing and integrating your changes, and even build a GitHub portfolio. Now, let's look at what you will learn from the 4 modules in this course. The first module begins with the basics of Git and GitHub. It covers repositories and how to edit and push files in GitHub. This module will also introduce you to GitHub branches. As part of hands-on activities, you will create a GitHub account and a project repository. You will also create branches and merge a pull request on the web user interface. In Module 2, you will learn about Git workflow and Git commands. You'll also learn to use branches, fork, and clone public repositories, and collaborate using Git commands. As part of hands-on activities, you will use cloning and forking in a GitHub project. In Module 3, you'll consolidate your learning with a 2-part final project. One based on the GitHub user interface, or UI, and the other on the Git command line interface, or CLI. You'll apply your knowledge by creating a GitHub project, adding, committing, pushing files, sharing the project publicly. Additionally, you'll explore an optional topic on GitHub Copilot. In the final module, you'll explore optional topics on using GitHub from your Windows desktop. You will learn to install Git Bash, generate an SSH key, and add it to GitHub. To get the most from your course, watch all videos, complete the hands-on activities to practice your new skills, attempt all quizzes, complete the final project, and create your shareable portfolio. Remember to use the discussion forum to connect and collaborate with your peers or seek assistance from the course staff. Let's get started on this exciting journey.